All right, thank you, Councilman. We also bring up former Assemblywoman and now County Clerk Audrey Pfeffer.
Thank you, thank you. What a fight, and I know we can do it because 32BJ is doing the right thing. They do a good job. They protect us, they care for us, they care. And the tenants know what's right. And they're going to show you that they support you in 2 weeks. So remember tenants, you have a voice. This is your election. Support 32BJ. Support your neighbors. Support the people that have been here for over 20 years taking care of our buildings. These buildings were built for working men and women. And that's what's in there. Remember where you've come from. The union is the backbone of America. Remember. 32BJ, we're with you.